If you're looking for a long-lasting hardscape project, there are a few things to consider. These include wear and tear on the paver surface, weed growth, joint durability, and ant or insect infestation, and pesky mold, moss, or mildew. Any of these issues can turn fatal for a hardscape project if not properly prepared. The best way to avoid these issues is with a proper sealer. SRW Products JS Joint Stabilizer is a multitasking paver or wet cast sealer that will lock your joints for years to come. Joint Stabilizer isn't just for joints though. The sealer is applied over the whole project to create a hardened barrier that will protect and stabilize. Joint Stabilizer seals with a natural look matte finish, so you won't even notice all the work it's doing for you. Let's walk through our easy 4-step process to get your project sealed with SRW's Joint Stabilizer. Clean. If applying over polymeric sand, wait 28 days after installing polymeric sand before sealing. If applying over a polymeric sand install, it is recommended to use an SRW general purpose cleaner prior to the use of JS Joint Stabilizer. If effervescence is present on a paver installation, fill joints with sand and apply EF effervescence remover or PW paver wash to clean paver surface. Never clean a surface without jointing material between the pavers. Thoroughly sweep surface of loose joint sand or material. Climate. After cleaning, wait at least 24 hours before sealing. Surface and joints must be completely dry. Recommended application temperatures are 50 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 to 27 degrees Celsius, from installation through the cure process. Do not apply if inclement weather is forecasted within 24 hours. Apply. Stir thoroughly. Apply with a standard garden sprayer or SRW product sprayer. Spray and saturate the surface. Concentrate excess sealer from surface of pavers into the joints using a slit foam roller or foam squeegee. For best results, spray, then back roll or squeegee. This prevents an uneven finish. A 2-person application is recommended. Start at the highest project elevation. Do not allow sealer to pool longer than 2 minutes. Only 1 coat of sealer is recommended. Additional coats may create a sheen on the surface of the pavers. Cure. Protect from moisture and allow sealed area to dry and cure for at least 24 hours. Low temps and high humidity may extend dry time. Dry tack-free 60 minutes. Foot traffic 24 hours. Vehicle traffic 48 hours. For more information and other products, visit srwproducts.com.